I first joined the Wicked Wellbeing tribe because whilst I want to be healthy, I find that as soon as I get busy, all those good things in my routine and things that I know I should do just go by the wayside. I have found being part of the tribe really helpful for the accountability and motivation as well, and I love the monthly challenges because it just gives me just a different focus and just kind of stops it being boring. It's nice to be part of a community where we can talk about well-being, talk about different things that we're doing, and meet up for dinner with like-minded people. And I have made some really nice connections through the tribe. I love the recipe vault. I love knowing that anything in there is going to be a healthy recipe. And what I love most is that Wick always uses kind of everyday ingredients. So I will pretty much always have everything in the pantry and I can just cook, which is brilliant. I don't have to go out to the shops to get that one ingredient that I'll end up never using again. I also love, so many things I love, that we often have a speaker once a month who will come and talk about something of interest that is around healthy well-being. And so that's a really cool way to learn and just connect with the tribe again as well. And the Facebook group is really interactive, lots of support from other people, which is really cool. And it's just nice that somebody says, well done. If you're thinking about joining the tribe, I would say go for it. It's been really great, and it's now a constant in my life. Very, very cool.
Being a Wicked Healthy tribe member has given me so much in ways that I hadn't even realised I needed before I joined. I love the way in which Wick cares and supports every one of us, whether it be through her amazing recipes, her nutrition knowledge, the exercise opportunities, the expert talks, and also the amazing way in which she brings together truly amazingly women, and the opportunity of which to be able to have made so many amazing friends. Everybody is intelligent, funny, honest, knowledgeable, full of information, real, strong, supportive, questioning, and there's always somebody around. I've made some awesome friends from all walks of life and can honestly say it's been life-changing. They helped make me grow in ways that I have just thoroughly enjoyed. I'd highly recommend definitely giving our Wicked Healthy tribe a go. You'll learn new things, you'll eat wonderful food, you'll load your body up with extreme nutrition, you'll find new ways to zhuzh up your exercise regime, or even create a new one if that's what you're after. You'll have access to experts on all manner of topics, and you'll be part of an amazing community of women who care about and support each other in so many ways.
Hi, I'm Anna. I joined the Wicked Healthy tribe about 18 months ago. What I love being part about the community is it's a safe environment. It is giving me challenges for myself, such as stepping out of that so-called comfort zone, being on a retreat, group walks, dinner, and the Wick holds also monthly sessions getting in experts to talk about topics such as hypnosis, hormones, crafts, plants, and much more. So that's a really good way to connect. And I would highly recommend joining the group because it is an awesome way to learn about yourself and have fun along the way. Cheers!